The Essential Guide to Unlocking the Power of Construction Master Pro. Divided into 4 sections, it covers from site prep to finish work. Learn step by step how to go beyond the basics and use this calculator's advanced construction math capabilities. See how to calculate moving dirt in the section Site Development that explains how to scale linear distances and how to estimate areas. It also shows how to determine calculations for excavation and fill and how to establish grade lines. Figure out volume for concrete pours on continuous footings, discrete footings, slabs and foundation walls. Learn to calculate concrete requirements in square or circular forms, or number of concrete block required so you don't run short on a pour. Learn to solve common framing problems with the Construction Master Pro. Get answers for framing and see how to determine measurements for walls, rafter systems and stair layouts. You will also cover how to get material requirements and project costs. Find out how to get detailed answers on the finishing process. Determine brick quantity by course or wall. Roofing coverage for sheathing, bundles and squares of shingles. Drywall requirement for 8, 9 and 12-foot sheets, and commercial construction. Top reviews from the United States. Missing formula. Excellent help aid. Recommend adding the area equals C plus 1/2 P for figure 1 to 5 on page 5, where C is the number of squares completely in the irregular shape note by O marked squares and P is the number of squares partially in the irregular shape noted by hash marks. The squares should be as small as possible, like 1 cm square.